Here are 10 amazing facts about our universe. The universe is a name that we use to describe the collection of all things that exist in space. It is made of trillions of stars, galaxies, black holes, enormous clouds of gas, and many other fascinating things. The universe has always been a curious place for many of us. We all are fascinated by the elements of our universe and have always questioned about different mysteries of it. The universe is a name that we use to describe the collection of all things that exist in space. It is made of trillions of stars, galaxies, black holes, enormous clouds of gas, and many other fascinating things. Therefore, we have gathered some of the most interesting facts about the universe which will interest you. 1. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space since radio waves can still be sent and received. 2. Nobody knows how many stars are there in space. It is impossible to predict just how many stars are there in our universe. Right now, as per the scientists and astronomers, there is an estimate of 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way itself. With this, there are billions of galaxies in our universe. 3. As early as 240 the Chinese began to document the appearance of Halley's Comet. After 164 BC, there was a continuous recording of the comet each time it was visible. The next Halley's Comet will be seen from Earth in the year 2061. 4. The footprints on the moon will stay there for the next 100 million years. Because the moon has no atmosphere, it has no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash away the footprints. Therefore, the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with the space prints, rover prints will be there for millions of years. 5. The cost of the NASA spacesuit costs for $12 million. The cost of the NASA spacesuit costs for around $12 million. However, 70% of the total cost is for the backpack and control module. 6. There is floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans somewhere around 10 billion light-years away. It is the largest discovery of water ever found. 7. Pluto is smaller than the United States. Planet Pluto is smaller than the US. If you walk around the equator of Pluto, it would be the same distance as walking from London to Denver. 8. The moon is drifting away from Earth. Every year the moon is drifting away from Earth by 3.8 centimeters. Scientists do believe that eventually, the moon will move out of the field of Earth's gravity. However, this won't happen for the next billions of years to come. 9. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Jupiter's red spot has been shrinking over the past few decades. The famous red spot is actually a giant spinning storm that used to be able to fit 3 piles of Earth. However, according to the reports now only 1 Earth can get in it. 10. The first ever black hole photographed is 3 million times the size of Earth. The first ever black hole photo, which was released in April 2019, shows a halo of dust and gas. It is stated to be 310 million trillion miles from Earth. The photo was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of 8 linked telescopes, and was also captured due to the algorithm of programmer Katie Bowman.